We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung phone not making calls. If this video solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you may have an important call to make. So what you want to do is go and drag down from the top like this, and then you want to go and look right in the top right. Make sure you've got some bars of service there. If you haven't got any, try moving location and making sure you've got a SIM card in your phone as well.
If airplane mode is currently on, tap on it to turn it off.
See if that solves it. If it doesn't, what you want to try doing is tapping and holding on the phone app. Then you want to press the I option in the top right. Go to the bottom right and press force stop and confirm your decision. Find storage, press clear cache in the bottom right, and then clear data in the bottom left to confirm your decision. Now go and open up the phone app and you can go and see if the problem is now solved. If it still isn't, press the three dots in the top right and press settings. If Wi-Fi calling is currently off, then you can try turning it on, see if that solves it. If it's currently on, try turning it off and see if that solves it. Next, come down to supplementary services and go to call barring. Make sure these are turned off. See if it's solved. If it isn't, swipe up and open your settings. You may need to swap across to go and find them. You want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for general management. Scroll down and find reset, and in here find reset mobile network settings. Tap there and go and do it. After you've done that, you can come out of it, tap and hold the side power button on your device, and you can go and restart it and go and see if it's solved.